Aisha radiallahu anha, she says, in kunna ala Muhammad. Even though we were the family of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we used to see the moon and another moon and another moon, and there was no food in this house except for water and dates. That means 3 months. Okay guys, are we all ready to spend 3 months with only water and dates? Ready? Ready? Not a single hand. You're laughing at me. You know why? Allah only tests those whom He loves. La ilaha illallah. When He loves you, you have a test. And only a true believer understands that. When I have an examination question that is very difficult and I know the answer, I'm a true PhD holder. I have a degree higher than yours. You know why? I knew all the answers. All those exams, I aced them. That's the word. So Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he had the greatest of tests. Very difficult. When Allah loves His slave, He tests him. My beloved brothers and sisters who are broken-hearted, turn to Allah. Nobody can mend your heart. The people around you might try and make it worse. When you are with Allah and Allah alone, then even the pain becomes sweet. It becomes sweet. Learn to love Allah. Learn to turn towards Allah. Material items will never give you joy. So many people have so much in terms of wealth. Wallahi, they cannot sleep. They are struggling with anxiety and sleeping pills. And with the sleeping pills, they still cannot sleep. May Allah grant us good sleep.